You can see here exercise 2.1. This is exercise 2.1. Okay, so let's see the question number 1A. You can see here the question number 1A. Okay. Okay, so you can see here question number 1A is, if R% be the rate of VAT and if R% be the rate of VAT, okay, rate of VAT भनेको चाहिँ R%, then RSX be the selling price, RSX be the selling price. Write the formula to find the amount of VAT. Okay, write the formula to find the amount of VAT. Okay, so tell me, Suyog, what is formula for amount of VAT?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at question number first and tell me the answer for that.
IFR is the rate of VAT. So formula VAT SP is given.
Do you know or not, Suyog?
Wait, sir.
Okay.
Bad percent of SP.
Bad percent of SP. Okay, that's correct answer. Bad percent of SP. And now we have to replace the values there, right? अब bad percent भने चाहिँ के छ त?
R percent of X.
R percent of X. Okay, absolutely correct. Good. Okay, so that is the formula to find the amount of VAT. Here VAT percent and selling price were given. That's why VAT percent of SP is the correct answer. त्यसमा हामीले भ्यालु रिप्लेस गर्नुपर्छ. VAT percent भनेको चाहिँ R percent. So R percentage of X. Okay. So 1A अब यहाँ हामीले सल्भ गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ कसरी सल्भ गर्नु पर्यो? You have to write given. यहाँ सबै कुरा लेख्नु पर्यो है. Given लेख्नुपर्छ. Okay. Given लेखिसके पछाडि then the formula to find amount of VAT is भनेर amount of VAT equals to भनेर completely लेख्नु पर्यो है. You have to write completely. Okay, so I am going to show you here so that you can write in that way. Simply I am going to show you here on screen. Okay, so you can first of all you have to write here one A solution and then given. Okay, you can write here given. अब हामीलाई given मा के छ त? What is there given? Okay, given मा हामीलाई rate of VAT भनेको छ. Rate of VAT भनेको के हो? Actually it is VAT percent. Okay, so हामीलाई जसरी given छ त्यसरी नै लेख्ने. Rate of VAT भनेर लेख्नु पर्यो. Rate of VAT, you can write in this way. Rate of VAT. Rate of VAT means यसलाई यो खास के हो त? VAT percent हो. Rate of VAT means VAT percent. So it is given here. It is given here R percent. It is given here R percent. Okay. So rate of VAT means VAT percent, that is given here R percentage. I'm like R percentage given. And then selling price. What is given here? Selling price. Okay, selling price. Selling price. Selling price, that is SP. Okay, selling price SP is equals to given here RSX. Okay, so you have to write in this way. Selling price SP equals to what is given here? RSX. Okay, these are the given things. You have to write in given. यो कुराहरु चाहिँ given मा लेख्नु पर्यो. र given मा लेखिसके पछाडी now अब के लेख्नु पर्यो त त्यहाँ sentence, the formula to find amount of VAT. Okay, so you can write here now the formula to find the amount of VAT is भनेर लेख्ने amount of VAT is. Okay, now the formula to find the amount of VAT. Now the formula to find the amount of VAT is. Okay, amount of VAT is भनेर यति लेखिसके पछाडी, okay, now the formula to find the amount of VAT is भनेर लेखिसके पछाडी, then only you have to write here, त्यस पछाडी मात्रै what you have to write here, formula. Okay, then only you have to write here formula. अब चाहिँ के लेख्नु पर्यो, you have to write the formula. Okay, so now you have to write your formula. अब formula यदि लेखिसके पछाडी, let's write here formula. Okay, so now let's write the formula here. Okay, यसको formula चाहिँ के हुन्छ, you know that formula already told by सुयोग. Okay, सुयोगले भनिसकेको छ, हामी लेख्दाखेरि कम्प्लिटली लेखौँ है त. लेख्दाखेरि यसरी नै amount of VAT भनेर लेख्ने, amount of फर्मुलामा जहिले पनि खाली पछाडीको मात्रै लेख्ने हैन, LHS मा पनि के छ सबै कुरा लेख्नु पर्यो. amount of VAT equals to formula is VAT percent of SP भनेर लेख्ने. Okay, अब यति मात्र भएन, यहाँ लेखेर भएन, you are given your values also. This equals to यो पछाडी VAT percent भनेको R% of X. यदि मात्र लेख्ने, अब यो भन्दा बढी चाहिँ लेख्नु पर्दैन, सिम्पली हामीलाई फर्मुला मात्र लेख्नु भनेको छ. Okay, that's why we have to write here amount of VAT equals to VAT percentage of SP, this equals to R% of X. यति भ्यालु रिप्लेस गरे पछाडी then this is completed. Okay, so यति कुराहरु चाहिँ थाहा पाइराख्नु पर्यो. So this is the way to solve. You know the formula. Okay, formula you know, but I am just telling you how to solve. What is the proper way to solve? हामीले solve गर्दाखेरि 1 marks को question मा how to get the full marks. Okay, that I was saying to you. So now let's look at here another question. Okay, now next question is, if X be the selling price and RSY be the amount of VAT, write the formula to find the VAT percent. Sunil, it's your turn. Sunil, are you listening?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, now tell me, read the second 1B and tell me what is the answer, how to write.
Yes, sir. VAT amount by SP into 100%.
VAT amount by SP into 100%. Okay, good. And how this one the value पनि replace गर्नु पर्ला.
Yes, sir. VAT is first में तो given लेख्ने.
Okay.
हैन, the selling price SP is equal to RSX. अनि त्यसपछि अर्कोमा VAT, the VAT amount VAT is equal to Y. अनि त्यसपछि to find the formula to find the VAT percent is equal to
Okay.
VAT amount by SP into 100, then VAT amount को सट्टामा Y अनि SP को सट्टामा X गर्दिनु अनि.
Okay, VAT amount. Okay, VAT amount in place of VAT amount Y and then divided by SP into 100%. Okay, absolutely correct. Good, Sunil, good. Okay, so now look at the question number 1C. Okay, question number 1C. If RSP be the selling price and R% be the VAT rate, write the formula to find the selling price with VAT. Okay, selling price with VAT.